Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the Peak Design clutch, which is a camera hand strap. So what makes this camera strap special is that it is quick and easy to connect and disconnect from the camera, and it's also very easy to adjust while using to be tighter or looser. The strap is designed to be used with DSLR cameras right up to full frame and can also be used with a battery grip. For me personally, I bought the strap to use with a Sony mirrorless crop sensor camera, so it's much smaller. I contacted the company to see if it would be compatible, and they were very quick to reply, and they said yes, except that it may interfere with the back screen. However, after mounting it, I haven't found any issues or interference with the screen at the back. So in the box you get the clutch itself, the little plate to attach the camera to. You get two anchors, of which you only use one, the other one is a spare. You get a little pouch for putting everything into it, and you also get a little hex wrench to tighten the camera onto the plate. And their plate is Arca compatible for those that use that type of tripod. The camera strap is very light, only weighing 50 grams. And in terms of length, its maximum length is 29 centimeters and minimum is 20. That's 11.4 to 8 inches. And the little anchors that come with it are actually quite strong. They can take up to 90 kilo of weight, which makes them safe to use with professional cameras. They are also designed to show wear and tear, so as the strap wears, it exposes a yellow core, and that signifies that it needs replacing at that point. And both the anchors and the plate are compatible with the rest of the products available from the Peak Design range. So we'll have a look at the strap now. You can see at the top there's the little clip that allows you to release it from your wrist as you need. So all you do is press the little pin in and clip it on, and to take it off it's that in reverse. And at the other end of the strap is the plate which attaches to the camera, and then you've got the little anchor that just clips in and out, so the strap can be completely removed from the camera very easily with just 2 clicks. And if you mounted the spare anchor to the other side of the camera, you would have 2 anchors, at which point you could put a neck strap on easily if you wanted to take your wrist strap off, and you could use the plate also to click into the capture clip from their range. So that brings us to the end of the video. My first impressions of the clip are very good, and I look forward to using it. If you're interested in seeing a review in the weeks to come, let me know. Otherwise, if you enjoyed the video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content from me. Thanks for watching.